We're here in Western Sydney talking about the world transitioning to a net zero economy, and there's few places better able to win in that world than Australia. And I want to make sure that we're turning our ideas into jobs, investment and opportunity for our country, and that's exactly what today is about.
The Western Sydney Manufacturing Forum is a fantastic opportunity to bring together a really diverse cohort of people. We have government, we have businesses, we have researchers that are all coming together to talk about how we address some of these really complex issues together.
I think small and medium businesses especially are good at innovating. They are agile and they can bring new products to market really quickly. I think there's a fantastic opportunity for New South Wales and the Western Sydney manufacturing region to lead the region and the nation in developing those new decarbonised technologies and showing others how to do it.
Manufacturers, they are susceptible to change, they follow the trend, the current trend, what is happening, because they are manufacturer. They need to get to the consumer. However, there is that barrier, the technology barrier.
So we're looking to show manufacturers how we use such a facility, how you can operate such a facility, understand your energy requirements and how renewable sources can actually help you solve some of your energy challenges.
93% of business leaders are now prioritising sustainable sourcing. Products and brands with ESG claims are actually growing 2.7 times more than businesses who are not making those claims.
With the Bradfield development, there's a brand new city there's an opportunity to use a lot of the redundant or potential waste and repurpose it to contribute to building that new city.
It's an exciting opportunity for doing business and innovating in new technologies, especially in Western Sydney where there's a lot of economic growth and a lot of infrastructure development happening.
Well, it's important for Australian manufacturers to act on net zero because the markets that have underwritten our prosperity for generations are changing the types of goods and services they're looking for. And Australia's really well placed to provide those goods and services in a low carbon economy. And I want Australian manufacturers, I want Australian industry to win in that world. I want us to see investment coming into our country, jobs being created and economic prosperity being grown.